Squirt, squirt. Gotcha. It says floor on it. What does that mean? I don't know. Editor Lyndsay back. Get ready for an unhinged vlog. I am losing it in this one. Enjoy. Hey guys, so random, terrible lighting, but Jimmy just found a website, rugs.com. And he just found that they're having a crazy sale for the next hour. So we're trying to find rugs for the apartment. I'll show you what we're thinking. Okay, so take a look at this gorgeous rug. Literally, rug of my dreams. Jimmy found it. $89, 66% off from 258 bucks. Are you kidding me? Also, this type of a rug vibe. 14 bucks for 2x3. That's gonna be a great little cute rug. So we're gonna get them. Hopefully they look good. We did it. The most unflattering angle of all time. Hey guys, so we have word that our rugs arrived for the new house. We have the checkered one and we have that, what would you call it? Striped? Yeah. Lost for words. They're both here, I think, so we're gonna go pick them up from Jimmy's parents' house and then we're going to do a reveal. Let's see her. Ooh, I think she's gonna be real pretty. Oh, how cute! The rug. Hey guys, so we are not at the new house. This is not where the rug will go, but we're just gonna roll it out, see what it looks like, see if it's fun. So let's do it. So what's really cool about this rug is it appears to be, as you saw in the photo, kind of like a gray checkered rug, but in actuality, it's a bunch of different patterns and colors. Like we got like greens and purples and all different sorts of patterns. It's so cool. Let's roll it out. Oh. Oh, this looks so good! I think it's perfect. What do you guys think of the rug? Oh, it's crazy. It really does look like it's gray. Now I will sit on the comfy rug and open up the other rug. Instead of a bath mat, we were thinking a bath rug. Okay. Oh my god, this looks like corn on the cob. Am I wrong? Okay, so mini rug reveal. Oh, wow, this is really nice. It's like a navy blue. I think this will be really nice. We'll see how it works out. So those are the rugs. We got both of them for under $100 with shipping and everything, which is kind of insane. I'm excited. We're getting closer, guys. Almost there. Hey guys, Jimmy ordered a bunch of sustainable home products from a website called Groove Collaborative. And they just came in the mail and they're really cute. And look at these boxes. Jimmy, anything is possible. So I thought I'd unwrap them, unpackage them, unbox them today. Especially considering our day started off a little bit crazy.
Did you say Groove?
Yeah.
It's Grove.
Oh. So this is from Grove. Sorry, again, crazy day. We had a little bit of an internet scare this morning with our house. The internet provider we had said that they were at the house and then today they said that they weren't. So this is house-related thing that is a pick-me-up. So let's open the first box. Stuffing. Ooh, Bubble Up soap dispenser and dish brush set. This will be for our kitchen. How cute is this? Brush. And then it also has the base, and then this is, I guess, the part that filters out the excess water so it doesn't get all nasty. Very fun, we love. Okay, next up, reusable cleaning bottle. This is cute. Ooh, look at this. It says floor on it. What does that mean? I don't know. Grove. And they're glass. Squirt, squirt. Gotcha, bitch. What is the next in the box of goodies? Tree-free tissues. I think this is just, is this the toilet paper? Oh, this is like tissues? Like blowing your nose? Oh, wow, look, this is the box. So I guess you poke the hole there and that's where you pull the tissues out. So 2-in-1, sustainability, we love. Oh, this is the toilet paper. I'm guessing this is a bunch of other toilet paper. Grove Co. toilet paper. Aw, on our way to 1 million new trees. This one also says, Jimmy, anything is possible. Today was a little bit hectic, you guys. Buying a home is an interesting process. Gets your anxieties all working. All right, what's in here? Woo, it's Christmas, let's go. Ooh, cute! Okay, so in here we've got our walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. These are made from ground walnut shells, recycled fibers, and plant-based cellulose. And then we got our Myers soap. We love Myers, legit. This is hand soap, and this one is dish soap, I think. Ooh, it smells so fresh. What is it? Olive oil and aloe vera.
Eucalyptus. They're made with olive oil and aloe vera.
Whatever it is, it smells fresh as hell. No? Basil. basil. What else do we have? What are these other things? Is this glass cleaner? Did you order this? So this is Grove Co. glass cleaner concentrate. So this you mix with water to like clean. Clean sustainability. Look how cute this is. This is orange and rosemary scent. I think this is all toilet paper. Oh wow, yeah, look at this. Toilet paper galore. And that is the haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. We could do more of these like as we order more stuff for the house. I think this is fun. I like to watch this kind of stuff. Hope you enjoyed. Alrighty, hey guys, so we just got a little package in the mail. Just got a little package. So quick little update. We did just get a package in the mail. Very exciting. Ooh la la. It is a composting bin. Fun to put underneath the sink in the kitchen. So I just thought I'd show you guys as I unwrap it. As I told you, we're trying to be sustainable. Try to make the best off of the land and the acreage we have. So, well dang, this thing is my God. Of all the things Amazon's gonna pack, they really bubble wrap this that much. So this is just for table scraps, stuff like that. The whole thing's taped. All right. Okay, so we just got this basic gray color. It just goes right under the sink. So when you've got stuff that you can compost after your meal, you just throw it in here. Ooh, look at all these parts. Little trash bags, that's cute. I bet these are somewhat relevant to composting. Or are they just trash bags? You can do it two ways, I think, right, Jimmy? So if it's like this, you can just go bloop, dump it right in, or you can open it traditionally. That's pretty cool. I'm excited. These are the things that you get excited about when you turn 30. Just a little update. We'll see you in the next clip. Hey guys, so I am just about to finish editing this vlog that's going up tomorrow, but we got one more package in the mail. We got seeds. More ASMR. I thought it'd be fun to open them up and just let you know what we're planning on starting in our homestead garden thing. It was really fun, actually, while we were in New York at my mom's, which is a vlog that's going to be coming up Tuesday. We sat down and we picked out all of these seeds. Ooh, how fun. Oh my God, there's a lot. Ooh. We got them all. We got a lot, Jimmy. True Leaf Market postcard. Look how excited she is. She's like living her best life. We believe everyone should experience the joy of growing. Let's just go through all of the seeds that we just got. Our first batch of seeds. So we got a ruby onion. What's fenugreek? An herb called fenugreek. Pepperoncini, Italian sweet pepper. Long Island Brussels sprouts. Onion, Utah yellow sweet Spanish. Winter density romaine. Pickling cucumber from Boston, or it's just the style of Boston. Toma verde tomatillo. Florida market eggplant. Carrot, tender sweet. And the Armenian striped cucumba. All right, then we've got these little packages of seed. Okay, so we got a San Marzano tomato. We got the organic, all of these are organic, I guess. Waltham butternut squash. Oh my God, I just thought I wasn't recording and I was like, that would suck. Basil, full. Oh my God, is this a spaghetti squash? Organic vegetable spaghetti? You got spaghetti squash? Spaghetti squash. Organic cherry bell radish. And Black Beauty zucchini. Anywho, we got all these again from True Leaf Markets. $45 for all that food. That's an insane amount of food. So if anyone's curious, well, I'm sure we'll do updates as we go. But I just thought this would be a fun little way to end the vlog. Next week, we're going to go back to the house and do stuff at the house. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe if you want. And I upload every Tuesday and Friday. So I'll see you then. Bye.